Hello guys, welcome back to Adib Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you that how you can make bootable flash drive using Rufus software. So let's start and follow steps carefully. Step 1, open your favorite browser and search for Rufus. Step 2, click on the first website and open it. Step 3, scroll down and click on Rufus 3.19. Step 4. Click on Open File from the downloaded menu. Now your Rufus is ready to use. Step 5. Plug in your USB flash drive in your computer. If you already plugged in, then ignore this step. Click on Device and choose your USB flash drive. Step 7. Click on Boot Selection and choose Disk or ISO image. Step 8. Click on Select and choose your downloaded Windows ISO file. Step 9. Click on Image option and choose Standard Windows installation. Step 10. Click on Partition Scheme and choose your partition scheme. In my case, I have GPT partition scheme in my computer. To check your partition scheme, you need to open File Explorer, then go to this PC, then click on Manage. Then click on Disk Management. Then right-click on your primary drive. Go to Properties. Click on Volume, and there you will get partition style. In my case it's GPT. Step 11. In Volume Label, you can set the name of your USB flash drive. Click on Start and then click on OK. In couple of minutes your USB flash drive will be ready to use. Thanks for watching and please like, share, subscribe my channel.